Well, I guess today marks a whole new level of absurdity for this channel because today we're unboxing stickers right now on Linux Lounge. Well, it seems we're falling for one G meme after the other on this channel. Well, you know how when you're browsing your little G thread, on well, G, and you see those laptop threads, and you see that guy, and he's maybe got all of his Unix stickers, his little waifu anime stickers, and you're thinking, damn, I too want a laptop that I cannot take out into public upon fear of being stared at. Well, okay, that's a little bit over the top dramatic. Well, today we can fulfill half of that goal. Unfortunately, not the waifu stickers, but the Linux open source stickers that people often have. Actually, to be honest, these things are pretty great looking on, like, ThinkPad or whatever, but that's besides the point. Indeed, today the postman dropped off my Unix stickers Pro Pack. As you see here, I have removed the label so not to dox myself. However, I have royally messed it up because the sticker was quite tight. So maybe let that be a testament to the quality of these stickers. Well, maybe not. You got powered by Sticker Mule, which is the company behind it. Unix stickers open, and here's where you can get them. This is the pretty basic Pro Pack, which is a single dollar, and I think the shipping was free or at the very least cheap. So get yourself some cheap stickers. But either way, let's crack these things open and see what the contents is. Of course, I probably should have done this before starting recording, but the things we discover on camera, I guess. Let's just kind of... Great. Let's... Wait, is there still something in there? Yes, there is. Oh. It's awfully cute, that little history thing, a little letter. That's quite interesting. Now, immediately, these actually jump out to me as being, of higher quality than I was actually expecting. See, I was expecting, like, cheap generic stickers, but no, indeed, these actually look semi-decent. So what do you get for your dollar? Well, you get, I believe this is Golang. I'm not a programmer, so I'm not too sure about these things. Python. Get yourself an Arch logo, a Debian logo, so if you use either one of those distros, well, that's fantastic. You get a Bash sticker, a Linux inside, that's pretty neat. Get yourself a Tux sticker, and you get with these to, in theory, replace your, Windows inside logo. The only operating system is Arch, though, bizarrely, which I'm not quite sure why you would want to indicate that you're using like Python or Vim inside your laptop, but sure, it's pretty neat, I guess. But either way, these do look rather nice. Like they would take something of a beating, I suppose. Well, either way, that's a lot. I will be back in a minute with the old ThinkPad with one applied. And there you go, I applied the first of many stickers I still have decided not to apply just yet. Kind of going for the sort of Apple logo on the back, but of course I use Arch PTW. If it's not in the middle, please be sure to don't let me know in the comments below, because I spent a disgusting amount of time to try and get it in the middle. I'm not completely proud of that. Also, I did end up using another one of those stickers in the... Actually, let me just turn this around with one hand without dropping it on the floor. Put the little powered by Arch sticker on there. Of course, for some reason I decided to put it on top of the Windows 7 sticker. I guess in some tragic way. Maybe I just want to keep this thing, you know, factory original. I don't know. But either way, these stickers are actually very nice, and in the process of getting them just right, I pulled them up and put them down again many times, probably weakening the adhesive, but to be honest, it still feels fine, so I would imagine they're very sturdy. In fact, they do feel quite sturdy. They've kind of got like a nice, I'm not sure how you would describe it, it's not exactly rubberized, but quite a nice feel to it, really. So of course, all in all, you know, if you like the kind of look of having stickers all over everything, or kind of want to join the group of nerdy folk who do just that, you know, you could do a hell of a lot worse with one singular dollar. And these are very well built. They're not like cheap junk or anything. I would have no issue putting them on here. They look quite nice too, which is probably another reason why I would have no issue putting them on. But if you use any of the open source projects, which there are stickers for, or just want something to put on a laptop or really anything else, you can't go wrong with these things. And I will leave a link in the description where you can get your own Unix stickers. Well, that's it for today's quick, dumb video. Thanks for watching.